welcome to YouTrip podcast. We are coming to you live from Sati 2026 at Yashobhumi, right at the heart of India's biggest travel and tourism marketplace. We are in conversation today with one of our travel agents to understand what is really shaping the industry this year. Let's get started. So, to start us off, could you introduce yourself in one line, your name, your company's name, and the city you operate from?
My name is Niranjan Singh Shekhawat, and I'm dealing with this tourism from last 15 years. And my company based in Dubai, Direction Wise Tourism.
Okay. With everything that is going digital, why do you think the clients still should prefer travel agents?
Is because we can provide them for all the inquiries, all the informations, and there are lots of things that client he doesn't know. Normally, the clients when they plan to go somewhere out of the India or even in India, they go by Google, but Google is not the right person who can give all the informations. So of course, the person they want to believe on the physical. So that's the reason they call always the agent.
Okay. Okay, so in one line, what would you say is the toughest part of being in the travel industry?
The tougher price, the first thing is the price because the clients want the best service and they don't want to pay.
Ah,
That's the toughest things.
understood. So now let's lighten it up a little with a quick rapid fire question round. I would request you to give short answers, honest answers,
Okay,
and keep them crisp and concise.
sure.
Let's get started. Group tours. Are they easy to manage or are they a complete nightmare?
It depends on my team.
Okay. According to you, what will be the most happening destination this year?
I love Dubai.
Okay. If you could instantly solve one problem in the travel industry, what would that be?
The clarity that lots of agents they lie a lot to the clients.
Okay.
So we just want to clear everything should be neat and clean. No any hidden things.
Okay. What message would you like to give to travel agents watching this?
Tours.
What is the most common dialogue you've heard from your clients?
We really enjoyed it.
Okay, that sounds good. So, what is the most common excuse you've heard from your clients for delayed payments?
Ah, okay. Lots of, not one. Yeah.
Okay. So, if you could go to one destination completely free, where would you go?
Switzerland,
Okay. Which is that one destination that you would sell forever?
Dubai,
Okay. So, weekend work, is it normal or is it a nightmare?
both.
Okay. Are clients choosing experiences over luxury?
Yes,
Okay. What does good service truly mean to you?
it's been to the close to the guest and give them the all information and the help them for all the way.
Okay. Now, coming back to the business side of things, what is your travel business best known for?
For good service and lots of informations
Okay,
and make our guest like a family, not as a client.
that's very sweet. Why do clients keep coming back to you for repeated
It's
bookings?
all because of my face. Just kidding. It's because of my service
All right,
and my attention to the guest.
all right, all right. What is the most unique client request you've received so far?
One of my guests in the yard, he told me that he want a cake, and I was only in the yard with the guest, and that time I arranged with the speedboat that cake is coming for him
Okay,
for his
that.
wife birthday.
Okay, that's nice. What is the most underrated struggle in a travel agent's life?
The time schedule, it's very busy.
Okay. We'll talk about industry realities now. What is one thing that online portals can never replace?
Of course, there are lots of things they cannot never replace. Even the client when they book the online, they don't know whom they are paying. There are lots of frauds are going on the online, but as for physical, personally, we are the face for them, so that they can talk to us clearly and they are trust us that they're not gonna pay some online. They're paying to
Of
us.
course, right. What is the biggest change you've seen in today's Indian traveler?
Oh, that's a lot. Like it's a proud feeling for us to being an Indian and we are living in abroad. That India is the number one country who's traveling a lot in the world.
Okay,
Especially, I've been so many places, but still, Indians are the number one traveler in the world.
okay. So, looking ahead, where do you see your travel business 5 years from now?
Ah, of course, on the top. But yeah, we are working hard, and our focus is on the service, and that's the best thing for travel agencies.
All right. So, if an agent wants to grow in travel industry, what is something that they need to fix?
They always tell the clarity that they should not lie to their guests, like, okay, because agents, they are not going to show them the city, they have also transferred to the other agents. So they're supposed to tell everything should be clear, so at least the guest will not face any problem when they're traveling abroad.
Got it. So, in just one word, why should someone book with your company?
Because we are the best.
Okay. If you could speak to your younger self on day one of your travel journey, what would you tell him?
I travel actually my first time when I reached Dubai. That time I thought only, but now I'm thinking like if I start the tourism that time, maybe I'll be in very different positions. But I start little bit delay, so I wish I can go back and I start at that time.
Okay. So now before we wrap up, I would love for you to look into the camera and share one piece of advice for the travel agents who are watching this podcast.
I always say one thing, that please be clarity with your clients to the agents. No miss words between that. That's the main thing.
All right. Thank you so
Thank
much
you
for
so
joining
much.
us today. This has been a fantastic
Same
conversation.
here.
And I hope that the viewers who are watching this, especially those from the travel industry, they get to learn something valuable,
I hope
something
so.
insightful from this conversation
Right.
at Sate 2026. Thank
Thank you
you.
so much. Thank you.